3D objects are also an option to utilize in Microsoft Word for Mac, as is the case in Windows. To insert a 3D object, go to the location in your document, and then under the Insert tab, you go under 3D models, and then you can insert the 3D models from your device, provided you have something saved in your device. But the most common option is going to be for stock 3D models, and then search for that particular item. Once you select the 3D object, click on Insert, and it'll download it and insert it in your document. At this point, we can move it elsewhere in the document. Notice that there are different options here, such as the options to reset it. You can adjust it. You can select the position in the page, and also text wrapping. Notice there is the pan and zoom option. Since it is inserted in the document, you'll be able to then rotate it because it is a 3D object.